This hotel has been on my bucket list to tour for a long time, pretty much ever since I heard of it. So this is located at Skyview 6 on American Airlines headquarters. When you're driving down the highway, this is what you see. You don't really think anything about it, but let me tell you a little bit of history. It is called The Landing at Skyview 6. There's actually 8 buildings on American Airlines headquarters. This hotel has actually been here since 1957, but they demolished it in 2018 to build this beautiful brand new hotel. It opened in 2023. This is just for training. So like flight attendants come in for a 6-week training, pilots come in for different trainings, mechanics, etc. They actually have 120,000 employees all across the world. And so there's a lot of different things that can go on here at the Landing. It is done just like a regular hotel, but with lots of really cool airplane aspects to it. This staircase is where all the flight attendants take their graduation picture, and that art was actually original art from the first hotel. Lots of shuttles to the airport, of course, and lots of employee memorabilia and pictures and inspiration. I loved it. There's 8 floors. Each floor is done with a different country. This is floor 4, so it's Peru. They do it based on how far they are from DFW. So floor 8 is Japan. All the rooms are exactly the same. They're all queen-size beds because they're all built for one person. They have that recliner, the bathroom. Everything's really well appointed. I liked all of the finishes. I think it's definitely like more of a 4.5 star feel. There's a safe, a Keurig, a refrigerator. I loved the little seat belt on the stool. Isn't that cute? I love little details like that. Great job, American. Each floor has a little lounge. This is so they don't have to study in the room all the time. They can have a little study area, lots of different types of seating. And I had to check this out. Look at that light fixture. Isn't it funky? I love it. So, and it's a huge campus. So they have dining, they have a tavern, they have an outside area. Here's me wandering around. I had to check it all out. They have a lot of social areas, cornhole, that sort of thing. They also have a swimming pool. So they have the tavern and the restaurant, and the meals are included for the employees that are in here for training. This ball commemorates a lot of Americans first. So did you know that they were the very first to have like an incentive program? So the Advantage program, very first. I love it. Here's the gym. Isn't this cool? It's such an inside look. Well, I can't plan you a trip to here, but when you're ready to plan your next vacation, vincentvacations.com.